Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, electrical graduates, and electronics graduate. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Tata Steel Europe Career. So all those who wish to work in foreign and abroad can make the best use of it. Just type Tata Steel Europe Career and Google and just give a job search. You'll be getting the following result. Out of it, you need to choose the first one, Career Hub Tata Steel in Europe. Just click on it. So once you click on it, you can see this is the official website. Gently scroll down, you can see two options. One is career in Netherlands, another is career in UK. Choose career in UK. So once you click on it, they'll be asking for the search word and search by location. Gently scroll down. In search option, you just give a search job. You will be getting the following result. You need to allow all the cookies, and when you see means you can see various job opportunities available. So these are the number of job opportunities. So when you gently scroll down, you can see manufacturing trainee in South Wales. You just click on it. So location is South Wales, and job title is manufacturing trainee, and business is Tata Steel Strip Production UK. So starting salary will be 20,523 euro, rising to 22,444 euro on completion of 12 weeks of probation, increasing to 23,579 euro in 18 months plus other benefits, and shift allowance will be 15 to 30% depending on the working area. Initially 2 years fixed contract will be done, and then conversion to permanent position will be mainly based on successful completion of 2 years, where the salary will increase to almost 30,632 euro. So closing date is 16th October 2022. Before that, you just apply. So what is your role is in the 12 months they are looking to recruit a number of manufacturing trainee position that have arisen in this site. They are currently looking for recruiter a number of position, various work areas in the plan. As a part of the training program, you will be initially employed for 2 years. On successful completion of 2 years, it will be extended. Just read all the instruction carefully. If it matches your profile, then apply for it. So you need to be responsible for the health and safety performance and having sufficient competence and operation of equipment within their work, and you need to use the IT system including SAP. You need to involve in continuous improvement activity. You need to participate in audits, etc. These are the requirements. Applicants will ideally be educated to GCE standard, and basic IT skills are necessary. You just read all these things. If it matches your profile, then apply for it. So gently scroll down. So you know very well Tata Steel is one of the world's top 10 steel producer. The combined group have an aggregate of 28 million tons. If you want to join hands with Diamonds, then you apply for the job. So below that, if you come in, you can see an option to apply. Just click apply now. So they will be asking the mail ID and password. Use that. If you're already having an account, use the mail ID and password. If not, means you need to create a new account by giving all your basic details. So manufacturing trainee, you need to once you go further means they will be asking you to upload your resume and fill all your basic details, and you need to give application details, personal information and employment information, and fill everything. Finally they will be asking you to save and apply. So just if you apply means they will be contacting or intimating you through a registered mail id and registered mobile number for further process. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to all mechanical, electrical, electronics people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.